Greetings YouTube and welcome to the Daddy Dog Blog. My cool dog's out and about. A cold front has moved in from the north. It's really kind of chilly out here this morning. This morning it's hitting a brisk 66 degrees in South Carolina. I'm glad to see the fall-like weather return. You can see the trees starting to turn. You can see the leaves starting to fall around that cool dog as Halloween approaches. I heard a weird sound about 15 minutes ago. It went, uh. Haven't heard nothing since. That went a squealer. Cool dog heard it. See, you can't turn on a camera in South Carolina without hearing something weird, right? Well, once again, with strange noises here in the morning in South Carolina. This is Danny Staten for that cool dog over there. Be sure to like, subscribe. Ring that stupid little bell for us. We'll be back with another video really soon. Blog over.